It is such a beautiful day, guys. On our way to the Kodawari pre-meet, meeting up with some of my boys. Damn, that looks nuts. Some I haven't seen since last season. So this is like a mini car guy reunion. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna get a good cruise in. I know one of my boys got a crazy RSX all-wheel drive. Another one got a Type R, DC5 Type R. Some clean cars. My other boy just finished putting together his boosted RSX. So I know this is a big deal for him, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'll try and be the best cameraman I can possible, and yeah. Charger, like it's really loud. RSX'S look so good, bro. Yo, I'm gonna go to the right, or do you want to go? Okay, okay, okay. Yo, it's the Type R, bro. What's going on? Damn. All the RSX'S together. Turbo, all-wheel drive. Crazy
2420.
stuff. Damn. All the RSX'S. This is what I film all the stuff on. Yo, Shrun, we're building drift cars next season? Yeah. Damn. That looks nuts.
Oh, this is what I came to see.
You guys park.
Oh, you're going crazy.
Oh, yeah. This is it.
Yo, this car is crazy. All-wheel drive. This is crazy. RSX'S, is it real?
Whoa, nice.
I should have had notes in. And he was sitting passenger and we were like coming back.
What's the gap?
No, it's false.
It's not the real gap. It's a false gap. This is clean. I fuck with these. Drift car.
This one's clean.
Who got like 60 on, bro?
Yeah, I want
I know, like, get here. I've never seen a hit this.
So you guys won't see my car in a minute.
I mean, it should be a quick one.
It should be quick. Yeah.
I don't know. I jumped in.
Alright guys, that's a wrap for the Kodawari season opener. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was pretty cool. Saw some really cool cars. Gonna go out, grab a bite to eat with my boys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless. Crazy stuff. We put the RSX'S on the map. Such a beautiful night. It's actually so nice outside. Damn, NSX. Damn. I gotta get the gas station POV.
I like that.
Yo. Damn. Yeah, bro. Yo. Car looks good.